What's up, Jack?
It's beautiful here. So nice.
What up?
Buddy?
What's going on?
Charlie Creek is after Tate.
After Tate, yeah, and it's showing that it's like right here. So after Tate,
This is. Which one is this?
this is the campground, but it's
Campground. Could be a sign right there. Is this Sandy Bottom?
I think so, yeah.
Okay, we got Tate will be next, and then after Tate, Charlie Creek is on the right.
Okay.
Short person problem.
Man, look at this. We are in this forest. Absolutely beautiful, stunning. Check this out. Let's check this canopy. Boom. Oh man, amazing. Over there. All right, the infamous Charlie Creek crossing. Let's go check it out and navigate which way to go. We are gonna get wet boots. Oh, I see it over here. Actually looks good today. All right. Charlie Creek. Yeah, if I cut this way, it's like just a straight across. If you go there, you kind of got to dog-leg it.
Yeah, I don't want to have to go over that stuff. I'm going to try to just go through the rock.
Gotcha. Yeah, I think I'll go that way and then damn, I entered in there neutral, couldn't understand why I wasn't going, and got my boots all wet. Dang it. What's that?
That sign behind you.
Off-roading prohibited.
Like, don't go off the trail?
I guess so, yeah. Hey, hold on. I'm gonna get this drone up in the air. Alright, we're gonna get this bird in the air. Get some video of Chris crossing this using the drone. Just waiting on some satellites. Oh man, damn, why did it drift? Shit, man. Dang it.
Is that right?
I don't know. I don't know why it's drifting, but I think it got good for you. That's so annoying. I saw it drifting. I was like, damn it.
Oh, it started drifting on its own?
Yeah, should have just held its position.
I think the truck's coming through.
It is.
Okay.
How's it, everybody? Check this out, eh? We're on a nice, tight, technical forest service road called Charlie's Creek. It's a beauty. It's got water crossings. Right here, hugging the river. Not well used at all, so man, so much fun. I'm out here with Chris. We're doing some moto camping, everyone, and here along the Tallulah River, we're in the Tallulah River forest. We were riding with Jack earlier. Fortunately, he had some bike trouble, so he had to cut his trip early. So we just soldiered on, and here we are messing around through this beautiful forest service road. I wonder how deep it is.
Hang on, I'm gonna go look on that side.
Okay. It's good?
I think if we stay to that left side, we should be fine.
Cool.
I don't know about going right in that middle, though.
Looks pretty deep in the middle?
It's darker, it's hard to see anything, so.
Gotcha.
But if you stay on that left side and just go around, you should be no more than break deep at that.
Gotcha. Oh, it's good. I don't know, dude. It's pretty deep over there. DR650, baby. I wanted to get you going through. Alright, got a 4x4 with traffic jam here. Let's see what's up. Give them a better room. So we can keep our momentum. Yeah. I wonder how slippery it is, if we'll be able to slip by. Or it might mess with our momentum. Ah, it's big rocks for them. It's not so much as slippery. How's it going? Oh, he's almost here. Once he gets past those big rocks, life is easy. Let's go, fellas, let's go. See ya. Here come the old 4x4s. Yeah, buddy.
Yeah.
Charlie Creek. Back into the forest. Charlie Creek, you beauty. Ah, here we go. Nice, fun one. Right behind Chris on that one. The good old DR650 is a tractor. pull you through pretty much anything. Who's this? It's the man in the truck. Nice, thanks bro. Thank you. It's massive paddles. Wow, this is so awesome. I really love this road. First time on it. So much fun. Chris and I were just saying how we're definitely going to bring the other guys up here. Do a lot of exploring off this road. There's a lot of offshoots. But just the road in general is so much fun. And then it leads to my now favorite campsite, the Tallulah River campground. So it's where we're spending the night. So much fun. Got my old spot right on the river. Oh, here we go. Big old water crossing. Don't lose it, dude. Damn. You so deep. I am soaked. Gosh, that was deep. I am soaked. Damn wet. Alright, here we go again, the big one. The big river crossing. This time I'm not going to be in neutral. I'm actually going to be in first gear. Ooh, it's getting deep, it's getting deep, it's getting deep. Give it some gas, get out of here. Ooh. Man, he's bouncing around for good. Google Smoky Mountains 500, and this is part of the route. I swear that bike does anything so easily. A good life. Pretty good spot for morning coffee and breakfast, huh? Cheers.